I don't care.
Can you tell me again what you're supposed to do when you have hiccups?
So, you can fact check this, people. The reason we hiccup comes from their fishy ancestors back in the day, where a signal from the brainstem goes through to whatever, something, and then it has nowhere to escape because we don't have gills anymore, so it goes through your throat. That's what a hiccup is. So, I heard that the best way to remind yourself, the best way to stop hiccups is to just remind yourself that you're not a fish. And the shit works, because I've done it at least 4 times. And I'm 4 for 4. Every single time they stop. Instantly after I say, I'm not a fish. Boom. Gone.